How many spoons of stevia consumption is excess consumption? The amount of stevia considered excess consumption depends on its concentration and the form in which it is used. Stevia is incredibly sweet, 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar, so even a small amount can go a long way. To determine what is excess, we can refer to the acceptable daily intake (ADI) set by health authorities. Acceptable daily intake (ADI) for stevia. The World Health Organization (WHO) and the FDA have established an ADI for stevia, specifically its active compounds, stevial glycosides, of 4 mg per kilogram of body weight per day. This means, for an average adult weighing 60 kilograms (132 pounds), the ADI is about 240 milligrams of stevial glycosides per day. For a person weighing 70 kilograms (154 pounds), the ADI is 280 milligrams per day. How this translates to stevia powder. The actual amount of stevia powder that equals this ADI depends on the concentration of stevial glycosides in the product. Most commercially available stevia powders are mixed with fillers, like erythritol or maltodextrin, so their strength varies. A typical stevia brand might recommend 1 teaspoon of stevia powder to replace 1 teaspoon of sugar. In this case, 4 to 6 teaspoons, around 20 to 30 grams, of such a blended stevia powder per day would likely stay within the safe limit for most adults. When does consumption become excessive? Excess consumption occurs when the daily intake regularly exceeds the ADI. For stevia, this could mean consuming more than 6 teaspoons of commercial stevia powder in a day, depending on the product. Large quantities of pure, highly concentrated stevial glycosides, e.g., more than 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of pure extract. Potential risks of overconsumption. Exceeding the ADI may lead to 1. Digestive upset, gas, bloating, or diarrhea due to its effects on gut bacteria. 2. Altered taste perception. Overuse of stevia may make natural sweetness, from fruits or other foods, less satisfying. Conclusion. Moderation is key. For most people, consuming 3 to 4 teaspoons of stevia powder per day, or equivalent sweetening power, is safe and well below the ADI.